Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about how you can prepare for Google Cloud certification. So let me tell you the steps. So first of all, I would like to explain a little bit more about the Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer exam and why and what is Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer certification. Why is Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer certification is required to do the Machine Learning Engineer exam preparation topic, which topic you have to prepare, like the frame ML problem, develop ML model, architect ML solution, automate and orchestrate ML pipeline, design data preparation and processing system, monitor, optimize and maintain ML solution. Some important key topics to study, which I have already collected. You can go based on the key topic, line by line. You just try to prepare. Then after that, what we will do? How to start learning machine learning to understand the ML workflow. This is high level architecture to understand. The reference link which I have put over here. Machine learning guide to know more about ML, the link which I have provided here. Machine learning crash course link which I have put it here, so you can go through the details. Google Cloud Tech YouTube channel AI Adventure playlist you will try to complete. Google Cloud Tech YouTube channel Vertex AI playlist by Priyanka Vagadia. You can also try to complete that. And one of the good book, if it is possible, you can prepare the page number 168 to 205. Try to prepare for your ML exam. Other than that, Google Cloud YouTube channel, AI ML playlist, GCP, Scratch Note, Priyanka Vagadia, GitHub repo, how to start preparation for machine learning certification, all these important material like Satish BJML certification, GitHub repo, exam guide, all the important URL which I have mentioned, and yeah, so if we'll go through this medium article which I have written, so most of the important URL which we can get to prepare your Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer exam. So that will be really helpful if we'll follow these steps, right? And that's it. If you are planning to prepare for machine learning engineer exam, this is the step-by-step guide. So all the best. Hope you will clear the exam if you follow the process. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this. Thank you. Bye.